Hello and welcome to TNR Sales Lot in Sublet, Illinois. This is a Elevation 102, I believe was its designation. Yep, 5-102. Okay. There's a bunch of trailers coming and going here. I can't keep up with them all. This is a nice one bedroom, no loft. Pretty fancy. It's hard to remember all these model numbers. They don't make any sense. 5-102. This is 2023. Hopefully this guy's got enough room to get out. Okay. We'll go on inside and have a look around. Figures he'd have to come around right when I'm shooting a video. That's okay. This is a 2023 model Elevation and builds a really nice trailer. Stainless appliances. Look at the big front room here. Fireplace. Nice tall ceilings. This one's plumbed for a washer dryer. There's shelving in this closet. Everybody always asks about washer dryer, washer dryer. There you go. Put your washer dryer right in here. Stack it. There you go. It's all set. Nice big bedroom. Plenty of closet space. Wall mount your TV. Comes with a 43-incher that goes out front. Let's see how the closets look. Nice big closet there. And nice big closet here. There's a couple end tables that go in the front. Put the TV up on the bed. I like the bedspread. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. The all-important bathroom has a very tall ceiling and exhaust fan, 2 windows. Amazing. Way more than a medicine cabinet. Lots of spot for your linen. Some floor plans are well thought out. This appears to be one of them. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar could fit in that shower. The world's tallest person. House type entry door. There's some of the screens. What's in this closet? It's a narrow closet. Narrow coat closet. See what we got in here. Oh, we already been in there. And I kind of like the appliance. It's kind of a satin stainless, grayish. I know there's a term for it. So that's pretty cool, huh? All right. Well, this was our 2023 Elevation 5-102. Make sure you check out my other videos. I got about a dozen trailers to film here.